Over a decade ago, a vision took root to build a world-class platform for the life sciences industry to connect, right here in the heart of Latin America. That vision came to life once again in Costa Rica, where the 5th edition of this pioneering event brought together the voices, ideas, and connections shaping the future of the industry. Life Sciences Forum, Costa Rica, 2026. OEMs, researchers, suppliers, manufacturers, consultants, industry leaders, strategic partners, and CINDE, Costa Rica's private FDI expert, all under one roof, shaping the next frontier of life sciences.
Today, Costa Rica has become a proven success, and today's objective is really to understand what is the next frontier for the life sciences industry in Costa Rica and what the role of the different players will be in shaping.
On stage, the conversation unfolded with purpose. More than 200 companies came together over 10 hours of high-impact networking, world-class speakers, and a full-day agenda built to connect the entire life sciences value chain. From AI and digital health to supply chain resilience and global investment strategies, each session added a new layer to a broader discussion. That is what CINDE and the Health and Tech Prime partners set in motion, a strategic space where companies aligned on what it takes to scale, invest, and operate globally. The speakers at Life Sciences Forum 2026 don't just represent their companies. They represent the direction of an entire industry.
Costa Rica is uniquely positioned in that is the largest hub when it comes to manufacturing, and not only efficiency, but a lot of economic potential to be a driver in bringing innovation and unlocking potential.
Now the industry is looking for organizations that are more agile, more strategic, kind of walk away from that reactive mode and start planning your next 5 years and your next 10 years horizon.
Change accelerates. It creates pressure for all of us. We got to keep up with the change. How it's a different model. Do I trust AI? Is quantum going to just take over the world? And how does patient care change? So it creates pressure. Pressure is a privilege.
Costa Rica is a hub for LATAM countries. It's hard to create 1 or 2 Costa Rican medtech clients. You do have the foundations, you do have the talents, and you do have the credibility to do that.
Ideas that cross borders, insights that sparked action, solutions that scale, and a community that keeps growing. This was where global companies met local capabilities and where conversations opened the door to concrete opportunities. Backed by more than 70 companies that believed in the mission, the forum showed what becomes possible when the right players align around a shared vision, an ecosystem that doesn't just exist, but performs at its highest level.
At FedEx, we understand that the local supply chain must directly reflect the industry's quality standards. And our operations is structured under that exact premise.
At ULACIT, we believe education must evolve alongside industry, not only by educating professionals, but by becoming strategic partners in building the ecosystem our country needs.
And for those in the room, the value went beyond high-level content. It was a place where partnerships started, deals moved forward, and business decisions were made.
You get to see what other services and potential suppliers may be here that you probably didn't know before. So this is where you want to be.
I think this platform is very important for the industry. It brings suppliers and OEM industry together, right? For able to communicate talks in the main room, right? So yeah, a lot of industry knowledge being shared.
We understand really where the medical industry is going by their presentations, how the AI is going to impact the future of the medtech companies in general.
The voices say it best. Life Sciences Forum 2026 raised the bar and showed what this ecosystem can truly deliver. And what comes next is already in motion. Be part of it.